This light switch on the ceiling fan, it doesn't work anymore. See, it doesn't even move. So to change your ceiling fan's light switch, you're gonna need a few tools. First and foremost, you're gonna need a screwdriver. This is a multi-tool, but it's got a Phillips head on there. Most likely it's gonna be a Phillips that you need for most fans. You also need a pair of wire strippers, a pair of cutters. These are kind of optional because wire strippers typically have cutters in them, but I like using these betters because you can get better cuts on those. You can place them better. A pair of pliers. This is optional as well. It's you might need to grab a wire or something, grab a connector, so these will come in handy. And last but not least, you're gonna need some wire nuts or any kind of electrical connector, like Wagos. Those will work too. But I'm just gonna be using wire nuts today. Either orange or blue will most likely be the most appropriate for this job. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do before you even start taking apart your fan is to shut off the power. So for most people, that'll be going over to the breaker panel and shutting off one of the breakers. In my case, my ceiling fan is just plugged into the wall, so you can see on this chain here is the cord, and actually goes to an outlet in my wall. So I'm just gonna unplug that before I get started. I've already taken off one screw from the behind. I'm gonna finish it off over here, getting the other screws off. Okay. Okay. Now you gotta watch out. You wanna bring this down really slowly because it's gonna be connected with all the wires in here. So we're gonna need to take these out here. Oh, they're kind of tight. There we go. That one came out. Okay, that's the line, and this is the neutral here. Hopefully it comes out. Yeah, you might need to, there we go. Might need to pull on them a little bit. Okay, so these are the cords. Here's the old switch, so we're gonna need to remove this. But I need to keep this connector over here. You don't wanna get rid of that because that's gonna plug back into the fan over there. So I'm gonna need to probably cut it close to over here because this old switch is no good, so I can just cut it off right there. Keep that connector and then cut it short on this side of the switch too, because I'm gonna have to wire in the new switch to these two sides right here. Okay, so now that old switch is gone, we can unscrew this piece right here. Okay, and get this thing out of here. There we go. Okay, so that old switch is gone. So we got our new switch, and it's pretty similar to the old one. So that piece there, yeah, pretty similar looking. This one actually clicks though. You see that? So, and then here's our two wires, and we're just gonna wire those back into the wires that we cut off over there. So I'm gonna strip those back, strip that one, strip that one, and then these ones that came with the new switch, they're already pre-stripped, so you can just pull that off over there. And this is a switch, so it doesn't have any polarity, so it doesn't matter which way I wire it, really. So I'm just gonna go this way here. Put the wire nuts on. Okay, where's my other one? There it is. It's not biting in there. Give it a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Okay. Give it a little tug. Make sure they're in there. And then, so now it's all wired back up. So I just got to reinstall the switch now. So we're going to come in, bring the chain through, and get it in the bottom there. Some neutral wires in the way. There we go. Ooh, this one is like a little bit, it doesn't go all the way through. I think that's fine though. Yeah, it's fine. I'll just use this piece here, this new brass looking one. Actually, it's more like a bronze color. Okay. There we go, put that on there. Tighten that back down. Okay, so new switch is installed. Let's see. Connector, so white to white, just like how it was before. And there we go. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. You might want to get a ladder or a ladder that's tall enough that would just sit right up here so you can drop this piece right down on there. Yeah, see, I'm kind of having trouble with just one hand. Oh, there we go. Got that one. Yeah, I can do this one. There we go. Yeah, clicked right in. Okay, now we just put it back together. So as you can see, I got the fan plugged back in, the power's on. I'm gonna just test this out right here. Yep, comes right on. Perfect. Yeah, it looks like one of my bulbs is out. I'll have to fix that later. But yeah, that's how you change a light switch on a ceiling fan. Hope that was helpful.